Being yourself is a better way to phrase marketing and branding. This is a talk on branding yourself, but that's really just a trick to get you to come here and see this talk. Branding yourself doesn't mean making something up or marketing. It means being yourself. So I recommend that people have a consistent and professional username on every site. They use clear avatars. Remember that not everyone wants their face on the internet. There are a lot of people in underrepresented groups that don't want their face on the internet, and that's okay. Just make sure that it's some face and it's consistent. It could be a Simpsons character, as long as I know that, oh, that's the kangaroo that I met on Twitter, and now they're on GitHub. Your username and your avatar should just be identifiable. So I say, oh, it's that nice person who knows a lot of things about code. Remember, one kind persona with the goal being to add value. And if you make a mistake, lean into it. That's okay. Here's an example of a couple of people that I think are really great because they present themselves online in an incredibly professional and cool way. Angie Jones is a great tester and an inventor. She's on the internet all over the place. She has a great website with an identifiable URL and recognizable avatar. So everywhere that you see her online, you know that it's Angie, and Angie becomes a name that we think of when we think of quality. This is a person who is a data scientist named Angela, who's not put her face on her website, which I think is cool, but instead she does something really innovative. She has quotes from people about how awesome she is. That's a really cool thing. It's almost like those movies where you see the garlands that tell you about how great that movie is. These are people who are saying that Angela is a good person and a genuine pleasure to work with. It's nice to know that people think you're a great worker. Even cooler that you put that on your website and own that so that you feel good about the work that you do. Chris Croyer is really clever. He's a web developer, so he's made his website interactive so he can show you the markdown or the HTML or the code, and you can pick a short, medium, or a long bio. I thought that an interactive online resume was incredibly creative and thoughtful. Safia Abdullah is a really great open source developer, and I really think it's cool that her URL is Safia Rocks. So she's actually telling people and herself that she's awesome. Safia rocks, and she put it in the URL itself.